She's lighting a rocket with her hand. I'm gonna throw it in the air. Bumbleclat. Oh my god. Yo! Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to Brotherly Reviews. As you saw the shenanigans we was kind of up to for New Year's, bringing in 2022 with a blast. Almost killing ourselves at the same time. But anyway, not gonna get too much into that. You know, not really something we should have been doing, but hey, it wasn't me. I just shot the video. But anyway, I just want to know something before I even talk about the title and the thumbnail of this video. I mean, yeah, you kind of want to see what's going on, what it's really gonna be about. But I want to know, what are your goals for 2022? Are you guys planning on buying a new house? Are you planning on taking some more vacations? Are you planning on looking for a new career? Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to do for this year, what your goals are, what's on your bucket list. As you see from mine, by the title, and like I said, you already kind of know what I'm looking at this year, and that is looking at getting a brand new car. So, unfortunately, it's time for one of my cars to go. Now, to be quite honest with you, this was a bit of a difficult decision to make because I love both of my cars. And not to mention, like, I've been payment free for, you know, by the end of this year, 2022, it'll be 9 years without a car payment. So it's, yeah, 9 years without a car payment. So this is something that I've been enjoying for the last almost decade of not owing anybody money. It's a lovely feeling, trust me. Like, you know, like once you pay off a car or you pay off a loan, whether it's a house, you know, some property, whatever it is, like you just feel like 100 pounds of weight just coming off of your shoulders. And that's how I felt when I paid off the TL. It felt great knowing that, damn, I don't owe anybody money for this car anymore. It's mine. No one can take it away from me anymore. All I gotta do is just maintain and pay insurance on it, and that's it. But honestly, the time has come. I've had nothing but used cars my whole life. This will be going on to my 12th year of owning vehicles. I've never bought a brand new car before. And you know what? That's something I want to scratch on my bucket list. I want to actually get myself into a brand new car, you know, 0 miles, full warranty, maintenance covered like that. Like I really want to get into that. Like, yes, it's gonna suck having to be paying money every month for a payment. And of course, but the good thing about it is that depending on the car I buy or the dealership I go through, they usually offer maintenance packages for the first few months or a couple of years or whatnot. So that's something, you know, that's a plus out of it. Yeah, I'm paying money out of my pocket every month for the car, but I'm still getting a lot of benefits out of it. It's just gonna take a lot more discipline, a lot more maybe staying home a little more often, you know, instead of going out like every weekend like I normally do and spending $200, $300, $400 every weekend. I'm not gonna say what it is, okay? I just do it, all right? I'm a single man, I got no kids. I can spend money however I want to. So yeah, that is the plan. Now, of course, everybody knows how crazy the car market is. Used and new cars are going for crazy high prices. I've been to a few dealerships over the past month or so, looking at like new cars. I even looked at a couple of used cars, and honestly, man, everything's just ridiculously priced right now. Everything is overpriced. There's even one of the cars I was looking at that they want $12,000 over MSRP. Like the car I was looking at, I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but I'm just gonna say the pricing. It starts at $27,000. Once I add a couple little options I wanted, it started at, it was going for about $30,000. By the time the salesman walked back with the paperwork in his hand, the car, even before I even added the packages on that I wanted to it, was going at $42,000. I'm like, dude, I'm not paying that. 42 grand? I'm not paying that. Okay? I don't have boo-boo the fool tattooed across my forehead. I'm not paying that. Sorry. I walked out. My brother and I walked out. I was like, no, we're not doing this. We're not doing that. No one in the environment is gonna pay that kind of money. I'm not that desperate. I can't speak for everybody else, because everybody else has their own reasons to why they want to spend what they spend on a new car. Maybe they have no other choice but to buy whatever car that they have and to be spending, you know, blase amount of money over MSRP. I'm not doing it. I'm not in a position to where I'm struggling. I'm not in a position to where I'm desperate to get a new car. I would love to get a new car. I deserve a new car. I work very hard for my money. I work very hard for everything I got. So I think it's time for me to take that step and finally get my first brand new car and really treat myself. You know, really feel like I really earned it and deserved it. So even so, to pay all the extra money over it, I don't need it that bad. I really don't. But as you see, I am inside the Fusion right now in my little, you know, undisclosed location. I'm just joking. I'm just in the neighborhood in an empty lot. That's all it is here. So I'm sitting inside of it right now. I'm kind of just talking to you guys and really just going over pretty much what I want to do. So like I said, this was a tough decision for me to make because I love both of my cars and I love not having payments. But Which one do I really love more? That was even tough too, because the car that I really love the most is the one that's giving the most problems, which is the Acura. It's still down. We're 5 months in college, that car hasn't been running. That I haven't been able to drive it or really do anything with it, because it's been broken down all this time. It's been everything in terms of waiting for parts, waiting for the machine shop and everything. Like, it's just taking this long a process. And honestly, I was starting to get tired of it. But then it's like, you know what? Excuse me. Let me discipline myself. That car's gonna have a brand new engine by the time it's done. 0 miles on that engine, fresh internals, everything. So I'm gonna have a brand new car again. And even so, I know that car's gonna sell for a lot of money, especially in the used car market right now. Even so, that's that Acura specific is one that a lot of people want. It's the final year of the Type S. It's fully loaded, A-spec package. It's a 6-speed manual. Yes, it's high miles on the body, but zero miles on the engine, which I will have paperwork to show for it. So who knows? In this market, even with those miles, a car can still sell exactly the way it is with all the customization I've done to it. That car could probably sell for maybe 10 or 11 grand to the right buyer. If I'm willing to wait for that right buyer, it may sell for 11 to 12,000. Who knows? But I don't think I want to let go of that car. Okay, for several reasons. That's the car that has got me all of you subscribers. The high majority has been from that first video, the pros and cons of the TL. That's what really got everybody following my channel to begin with. So thank you very much for that. That's really what put the channel on the map. So getting rid of that car, I don't think it'll be a smart move for me. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I'm not gonna show what it is either, because that's exactly the car that I want. So yeah, unfortunately, the Ford's gonna have to go. And honestly, I love my Ford. It's super reliable. It's very cheap to maintain. It's extremely comfortable. I've said in past videos already how much I enjoy this car, but I really just think it's just time just to take that step, man. Like, really just kind of get out of it and really just stretch my legs into something else and get my first brand new car. And even so, I think I'll enjoy the brand new car that I want and the Acura. Having two fun cars which are entertaining, look great, and I know both those cars are going to bring a lot more of an audience to the channel. The Ford really doesn't do it much. I mean, a couple of videos I did, but it did get several thousand views on it. So, but maybe that was something people were looking for. They're looking for ideas. But in terms of content for it, it doesn't really help me out much that the Acura does. So that's really what I'm looking at as well. From a business aspect, the Ford looks like that's the best way to get rid of. So yeah, by the time you're watching this video, the car will be up for sale. I will have it on Facebook Marketplace. I'll have it on OfferUp. I'll have it on my social media as well. So if anybody's interested, definitely reach out to me. I was gonna do a quick little walk around of it again so you guys can see the condition of it and everything else. So I'm gonna start right here. You guys already know it's a high mileage car, 224,000, reliable miles, highway miles, whichever way you want to put it. No problems, transmission's just properly. Everything's been fully maintained with the chassis, the engine, everything like that. You guys already know it's a rebuild title. Look, man, I'm gonna keep it as transparent as possible. I have nothing to hide about this car. I don't know why the car's rebuilt. I've said it in past videos, I don't know why. I'm still yet to know. But there you guys go. This is the car right here. It's a 2011, 224,000 miles. It's not in excellent condition. Obviously, you see those rock chips and all that on the front of the car. I will take off that plate. I'm not gonna sell it with that. I'm probably gonna throw it away, to be honest. It's pretty faded. But I don't know what happened to the bumper. I bought the car like that. I tried to fix it. So it stays on, it doesn't fall off. Of course, it just hangs down a little bit, but not a big deal. More than likely, I will put on the original Steelies that it came with, unless if you guys do want these wheels with it, and depending on the price it sells for, I will include both sets of wheels. But more than likely, I'll sell these on the side. So if anyone wants to buy these wheels, definitely reach out to me on my social media, on Instagram, or you can hit me up here on YouTube if you're interested in buying them. But yeah, not in perfect condition, but you see I really try to take care of it. The paint is all right. I wash it pretty much every week. And in terms of added features to it, I do have a Pioneer double din in here. I do have some floor lighting, which is right there. It does have a backup camera. But yeah, you can see right there what the radio looks like. It has iPod capabilities, it has Apple CarPlay, there's a cord for it. Of course, like I said, reverse camera. With trajectory. There is trajectory lines you can add to this. It's in the options. I have it off because I really don't need it, but I think it's right here. There you go. but I don't like using that. I don't need it. So you can always just turn that on and off. But overall interior condition, don't mind my cups over there in the cup holder. Obviously the driver's seat has the wear to it. Obviously the bolster has wear from getting in and out of it. Of course, I've been sitting here a lot, so it's gonna get like that. The seat is still nice and plush, nice and comfortable. The passenger seat pretty much looks like it's barely ever been sat in compared to the driver's seat. You can see the difference in condition right there. I mean, it's cloth, so you're gonna see a little bit of stains here and there, but for the most part, I've really done my best trying to keep this interior clean. The headliner is still original, never had to change that out. The floor mats are TL floor mats. I don't have the original floor mats for this car, but they are all season floor mats as you see. Now let's go to the trunk. Of course, I got my cargo net back here, and I got a few of my other daily use items. I got a safety vest in here. It's always good to have safety vests. You never know what happened. You're on the side of the road one day, or a friend's on the side of the road, you want to help somebody out. At least you know you're gonna be seen. And the spare tire is under here, as you can see right there. Got to focus right there. And it's a pretty big size trunk. You probably fit a couple of bodies back here. Not that I would recommend it, but just if you guys want to play a prank on somebody like I did back in the day, you can definitely fit back here, no problem. The seats do fold down. You pull those handles right there. The seats do fold down, 60-40 split. And yeah, man, you got tons of room in this car. So this will really be a great car for anybody that's looking for a nice little daily driver. This has been my daily driver for the past two years. I bought it in November 2019 with 203,000 miles. Now I'm at 224. So it's definitely done its job for me. It's never given me any major problems. Never broke down on me. Never left me stranded. It's been great. But it's not, for me, it's not fun, right? I'm a car enthusiast. Yeah, there's all stuff in here, whatever. So like I said, I'm a car enthusiast, okay? Most of you guys watching this right now are car enthusiasts also, which is why you follow me. So thank you once again. So car enthusiasts, we're always looking for the next best thing, okay? We buy cars, we do our modifications, we have our fun with them, and then later on, we want to try out something else. In my case, I want to try out getting my first brand new car. Just taking that, just jump, just achieving that milestone in my life. I'm gonna be 30 this year, so I definitely, I'm starting a whole new milestone in a few months this year, turning 30. Thank you very much. I'm very thankful to make it this far in life, and I hope it continues for many, many decades. As for everybody else who's watching, I hope you all live long, healthy, successful lives. But if you guys watch Tall Guy Car Reviews, he always talks about taking that leap of faith. So right now, this is me wanting to take my leap of faith, getting rid of my older car, and getting myself to a brand new car, taking that step back into financing, back into leasing, whichever way I decide to go, and getting myself a brand new car and learning a whole new experience with a whole different type of car. And something brand new, and something that's really going to teach me a lot more maturity, a lot more responsibility, and also bring you guys great content, okay? For me, I'm really looking at it from a business perspective as well as enjoyment. Yes, I'll enjoy having a brand new car, but I'm also going to enjoy giving you guys brand new content instead of always giving you the same content I've been giving you, which no one complains about. But just for me, I always want to give more. I want to keep growing this channel. I want to keep surprising you guys. Like, you guys see a title and a thumbnail of a video, like, oh, what's this about? And the comments you guys leave, they're very, very heartwarming. Sometimes I really be surprised the amount of people that comment on the videos versus how many views I get. So that says a lot. The people that really watch really do pay attention. They really do watch everything, and they really do make comments and suggestions about everything. So I'm very, very grateful for you guys, and that's why I'm doing this as well, is that I want to keep giving you guys better content. So in that case, I want to give you guys something brand new to look at, and something new for myself to learn, and something new for you to learn. But yes, once again, this car's not perfect. Yes, I did kind of crack the dashboard right there, and I tried to fix it. I do have the cover for that sensor right there. It's at home. I took it off because of the tint, so the lights would always stay on all the time, which is kind of annoying. So I did take it off just so it's clear. And that part right there, I've tried to find at the junkyard, and they're all pretty much all broken. So it really just must be a flaw with these cars, that it's a pretty cheap material that breaks very easily. So I haven't been able to find one to replace it with. But I did redo the buttons for the climate control. They were all faded. Now they're all nice and black and clear, easy to read, easy to use. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this car, man. I guess I'll pop the hood again real quick. You guys can see under the hood. So there you go. There's the engine bay. 4-cylinder, as I've always said for a while. The battery's about a year old, if that. From Walmart, still got warranty on it. And The only modification to this engine is the filter, have a K&N drop-in filter in there, and that's it. Everything else is factory. That's all I need for a daily car, to be as easily reliable and usable as possible. Anyway, y'all, that is all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. I want to tell you guys what I'm planning on doing. Let me shut the door here. And I was letting you guys know that this car is for sale. I will post the links to the sale postings here in the description. If you guys are interested, definitely reach out to me and, you know, come take a test drive for yourself. See if you like it. Let me talk numbers. The other thing I will tell you to do, please don't offer me prices online. Come see the car first. Come drive it, and then we talk numbers, okay? Because we know a lot of people do this. They see a car online. Oh, let's say, for example, let's say I put a car for $6,000. Oh, I'll give you $35,000 today. Okay, so what's your price tomorrow? I'm just joking. But still, you're gonna offer me that price, and then you're not even seen the car yet. So even if for some reason I even tell you, sure, $35,000, you come and see it, and then you're gonna be looking around the car, you're gonna be test driving it, you're gonna be nitpicking every little detail. Oh, you know what? It needs this. It needs this. I'll give you $2,200 today, man. And then it's like, so you talk down a car which you didn't even see yet, and then when you come and see it, you want to talk down even more. That's not the way I do business. I don't ever lowball nobody. If I see it, whenever I buy cars, even this one, anytime I go to buy cars, I don't offer prices before I see it. I'll go see it. I go drive it. I go talk to them. Then I work out numbers. So that's how I got this car for the price I did, because I had it for sale for the price I had it for. And I only tossed them down $200. That's it. Because the car really was not in any bad shape or whatever. So that's the way I want to do business with everybody else. So if you guys are interested, come talk to me, come see me. The worst I can tell you is no thank you. All right. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Happy New Year once again. Hope you all go after your goals and your dreams for this year. Make 2022 better than last year and the year before, because COVID really screwed everybody up. But don't let that stop you. Go after everything that you want to do. Go after your goals. Go buy that house. Go buy that new car. Go take that vacation. Go somewhere you've never been to before. Explore new things. Go start a new career. Do whatever you need to do. But either way you do it, do the damn thing and put your best foot forward. That's all I got for y'all today. I will see you guys in the next video. And hopefully next video, I'll do what I was supposed to do before, which was going over the new car that we got. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, you know every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Thank you very much. Salute.